yet know each heart, each name. No soul is hidden from your sight. No life is small or plain. You remember all and every story, every name. Mercy reaches all your children. No two hearts are healed the same. No sparrow falls beyond your care. No silent prayer is lost. You see the wound, no, I can see, and know what healing costs. You remember all and every story, every name. Mercy reaches all your children. No two hearts are healed the same. One Savior came to ransom all, yet bore each grief alone. His mercy reaches every soul. Each child is fully known. All are held, each is known. All are called, each is home.